काउंटरपॉइंट कार्यावळीन तुमकां येवकार. सध्या दोन कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी गोंयान गाजतात. एक म्हणजे वास्कोचे बलात्कार प्रकरण आनी दुसरें म्हणजे हेल्मेट घालनासतना काय MLA विधानसभेन आयले, नंतर तांणी आपली मिस्टेक करेक्ट केली आनी ह्या दोनूय कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीन एक कॉमन लिंक आसा, तें म्हणजे आवर्तन फुर्तादो. ही इज फिशरीज मिनिस्टर इन द पर्रीकर गव्हर्मेंट. आमच्या वांगडा सध्या आवर्तन बाब आसा. सडनली तुमचे एक मेन कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीन नांव आयलें, सिरियस नांव आसा की you are related to someone who is actually wanted in a rape case.
To frankly tell you, when somebody phoned me and told me that I am flashing on Prudent, that Iris Rodriguez has involved me in that, so I sat and I watched the TV. Whereas he has directly accused me for shielding the headmistress, which is totally wrong. And he said that she is my relative. Then I thought like I must have skipped one of my relations, so I phoned all my cousins and I asked them, is this lady related to me? They are saying from nowhere they are our relation.
She is nowhere related
She is
to you.
not at all related to me, nor do I know her. I never even met her.
But the way investigation is going on in this Vasco rape case, are you happy with that?
That I will surely say that the culprit should be booked, because this is something too much. Raping a 7-year-old girl is not acceptable. I will certainly never stoop so low to support somebody who has done such a horrifying deed. I will never.
But why do you think that a person like Irish Rodriguez, who has been actually a very responsible citizen, why will take your name unnecessarily in this entire controversy?
I used to always respect Iris because he used to take up good issues. But surprisingly, I don't know why he dragged me into this, where I am not involved in anything. At least if they were my relation, you could have said, okay, fine, I must have been siding them. But here, nothing at all. Even last few months back, there was a massage parlor where they were caught. That boy also had my surname, so they said, I'm a partner in that. It doesn't mean that if we share the same surname, that they are my relation.
So this was in Panjim.
That was in Panjim, yeah, this massage parlor thing.
Okay, this another controversy where you cannot, say that I am not involved. You came on a bullet without helmet along with others, then you violated the rule.
Yeah, that we realized it was our mistake, and we said it's our mistake, and we took the fine, whatever that was imposed on us, we took it. Next day we came with our helmets to send a clear message that nobody is above the law. You have to abide by the law. That's why we sent like, you should wear a helmet for your own safety.
But you umed khanchana tumka. Basically, you are given a vehicle by government. You are a minister. Suddenly you come out with your bullet and you start riding on the.
We started from Panjim. It was just like we are young and enthusiastic, so we want to have some fun at least.
Idea konachi basically.
It's our idea when we set. We just thought like tomorrow we'll go with our bikes.
Started with Rohan Kaute's.
From his hotel, yeah.
From his hotel.
Yeah.
When you actually realized that I have committed a mistake?
In fact, even CM asked us, why did you all come without your helmet? And we said, yeah, it is our mistake. Like suddenly we saw the media focusing on us, so we were all surprised, like what happened?
Initially you thought it is a publicity that we are getting that you come with a bike.
Yeah. But we had no intention to break the law, but it was just as like, let's go today with the bullets, we started.
But now what happened after that, next Friday you came with helmet.
Yeah.
What exactly happened? You all met, CM told you, he reprimanded you saying that you should wear helmet or something like that.
Yeah, we came back again with helmet just to show okay, we are abiding by the law. And that
we have realized the mistake.
Yeah, when we realized the mistake.
So now on you are wearing helmet when you are
I left my house with the helmet that day. Right after Panjim, I drove my bike.
Okay, one more important thing. Do you think by giving fisheries as a portfolio to you, CM has done a justice to you? Basically also because you are trying to have sports as a portfolio.
No, I am happy with what CM has given me. But if sport was given to me, I would have really appreciated it.
But you never asked for that portfolio?
No, I never asked anything from CM. Whatever he gave me, I accepted it.
About fisheries, so many of crores of rupees are being paid in the form of subsidy to fishermen. But when we go to buy fish in the market, we go to see that wholesale rate and retail rate, there is a huge difference. What is state government doing to bridge this entire gap?
I don't think I'll elaborate much on this, because my demands are yet to come in the house. But the only thing I can tell you is regarding the stalls that I'm planning to put up in Mapsa, Panjim, Margao. Most of the places I'm trying to put up these wholesale stalls, where I'll be getting fish directly from the trawlers and supplying to these stalls.
But then again you will face a wrath of these fish vendors. They म्हणटाले आमचो business गेलो आसा. Now government is taking over the entire business.
And that we can't help it because the common man can't afford to have fish at such a high price. We have to do something.
But you have actually spoken to any of these associations of fish vendors, asking them to at least scale down the prices?
They say it is a perishable item. They say once the fish is there, we have to sell it. We can't keep it in the deep for a long time. So they don't seem very much interested in getting the price down.
So what exactly is your idea behind these stalls?
So just to sell at the wholesale rate, at the minimum rate which is affordable for a common man to eat.
You think you'll be able to manage?
Sure, I think I should be able.
Okay, one more thing, fishing ban. It has been a issue of concern for many people, especially those who are into trawling business. Do you support 75 days fishing ban?
See, at present, we have declared 75 days. Till my demands are over, I don't think I can talk much over it because I have to sit with the CM. We have to come to a point like what maximum and what best we can do. Because I've heard the association, the federation and everybody, their demands are there, then the Ramponka's demands are there. So I have to sit with the CM and come to a conclusion.
When this was decided in the budget, were you taken into confidence?
No, during the budget time, CM doesn't take us into confidence because it is his decision. And even till the last minute, I didn't know what was in it.
So it was a shock for you, or it was expected?
It was expected, but still we can do some modification because still there's time. My demands are on the 25th, so I'll announce it on that.
Here also it's like a mining industry. There are environmentalists and there are actually people who belong to the industry. Environmentalists say that breeding period is there, you have to increase the ban. And here people will say ki we are jobless during that period and you please don't extend the ban. So has any association, they have come, they have met you, they have discussed, what exactly has happened?
So far we have discussed. We are trying a lot of methods. Let's see how far we succeed in it. Because some say they want 45 days, some say they want 60 days, some are happy with 75 days. So I have to sit and decide.
So you have to decide whether it is 45, 60 or 75.
Let us sit and decide.
But is there any possibility of being rolling back this fishing ban?
Let's see. I can't tell you that right now because
You want to make some announcement?
yeah, I can't tell you that.
Okay, one more issue that recently people say that after Alema family being out of politics, people are not getting chicken biryanis, people are not getting parties, people are not being looked after properly by you.
See, my constituency people are educated people. Suddenly I feel that people don't look for these biryani packages and something like that. People look after like what you are doing for the constituency. And as far as possible, I know I am really working for the people of my Naveli people and I'll really do my best. Because what my opponent is to do, he is to just give money to the youth, where they used to drink and ruin their life. Whereas I don't give money to anybody like that. Till date, I have given nearly 35 to 36 jobs where I have not taken a pie from anybody. My this thing is clear. I don't take money nor do I give money. I give money to really needy people. That is for sure.
When you took over this Navelim constituency, it was belonging to Alema, was literally belonging to Alema. Do you think enough development was done in this constituency?
Nothing. Beside one bridge in Telauli to Varka, that was the only thing which he said that was his dream bridge. But besides that, he's done nothing.
But we can see wider roads here.
Tarring of the road, yeah, he has just put a layer because that was for his own interest, where he could get 15% commission on that. Besides that, he's done nothing for the people of Navil. Nothing.
You're very close to Churchill Alema earlier.
I was.
You played for his team also.
Yeah, I played for his team, yeah. I started with Salgonkas, Dempos, MRF, then finally I wound up with him.
What was your relations that time with Churchill Alema and his family?
Very good. Our relation with them was very good. In fact, also till date, I'm a good friend of his brother Siab. We have nothing like that, no enmities like that.
So, when you actually realize that that Alemao should be toppled and I should be there in the politics?
See, people of Nabilin were fed up. I think basically the whole of Goa was fed up with him. So I thought like we have to teach these people something, that there is someone else who can take up their place. They were just one, then the second one came, then the third, the daughter was supposed to come, then Alema, the Jokin's son also was supposed to come. This was too much. It was unacceptable to everybody. So finally I said, why not give it a try? Why should only they have the right to sit everywhere? And moreover, during when Varka was in our constituency, okay, now this, after the delimitation, Varka was separate. So why not a son of the soil take a chance?
But you're a sportsman thinking about being a politician and suddenly becoming a minister.
That's right, you have to take a chance.